the tall tree and the small tree. Once upon a time, in a jungle, there were two trees. One tree grew very tall, while the other remained small. The small tree said to the tall tree, "I also want to be big and tall like you." The tall tree smiled and said, "Don't worry, being small doesn't make you any less. You can show your beauty and strength in your own way." The small tree listened to the tall tree and started focusing all its attention and love on its flowers. As time passed, the small tree also became beautiful and filled with blossoming flowers. Now the small tree was happy and satisfied with its life. The moral is, every person showcases their beauty and importance in their own unique way. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.